Good evening. We begin tonight with a legislative lightning rod that is sending shockwaves from the halls of Congress to the Sunshine State's campaign trail. Tonight, Florida stands at a historic financial crossroads as a bold push to transform the state into a global crypto capital collides head on with intensifying questions over ethics and personal profit. At the center of the storm is Congressman Byron, a rising star and a top contender for the 2026 gubernatorial race. Documents recently public reveal a series of strategic Bitcoin acquisitions that have political rivals and ethics watchdogs demanding transparency. The controversy centers on a high-stakes correlation, the timing of these family purchases, and the congressman's aggressive legislative maneuvers. In late 2025, reports surfaced that Donald's wife Erica purchased up to $100,000 in Bitcoin on the very same day the congressman was pressuring the IRS for favorable tax treatment on crypto staking. Just weeks ago, in February 2026, new disclosures showed the family buying the dip, snatching up more Bitcoin as the market surged below the $70,000 mark. While the Donalds team maintains these are independent moves by a finance professional, political opponents are seizing the moment. Florida House Speaker Paul Renner has issued a blistering critique, calling on Donalds to take down the for sale sign on the state of Florida. Renner and other critics argue that Florida's economic infrastructure must not be designed around the personal portfolios of its leaders. Furthermore, this controversy arrives just as Florida lawmakers file HB 1039, a crowning achievement for crypto advocates that would create a strategic crypto reserve outside the state treasury. This 2026 legislation includes new environmental and fiscal guardrails, limiting the reserve to assets with a massive $500 billion market cap, essentially pivoting the state's legacy wealth towards a Bitcoin-only strategy. As we look ahead, the debate over this digital gold rush is set to define the upcoming primary. Whether this move secures Florida's financial future or creates a permanent ethical shadow remains the central question for voters. Stay with us as we continue to track this developing story and the upcoming legislative hearings in Tallahassee.